Okay, let's take a look at the CMoR blog information I'm sending over in the file. It's called CMoR blog information. You've got the SurveyMonkey results of the assessment on the blogs that I created for since September. All of the blog videos I created, the PowerPoint with all of the tutorial videos and my detailed notes, blog content calendar for 2021, the Holiday Village 2020 information, and then anything additional that I did this semester. So in the SurveyMonkey file, you're going to get all of the pictures that I received from blog users who participated in the assessment. Then I have each question has its own folder. When you click on the question, it's going to have a screenshot of that question and then the results that I saw on SurveyMonkey. I don't have a premium account, so I couldn't download the file, so I just took pictures of each question and then how the participants answered that question. So that's all in the SurveyMonkey file. The blog videos that I've created are all in the Kristen or K Christian's blog videos. I have put the Chesterfield and the downtown location videos for that Hillary and Pam went around and did like exhibit highlights and COVID changes, stuff like that. This is the screenshot of the Children's Museum of Richmond. And here is the intro video that I use before and after each blog content. So moving on, here's the tutorial videos in a file. When I'm done with this video, it will also be uploaded into this file. Here's the PowerPoint with all of the tutorial videos together. And here are my blog transfer notes with all of my tutorial suggestions. And then here are my tips and tricks. And then my suggestions that I received from feedback and additional also things that I learned throughout the semester. And if we continue, here's the blog content. I've created a calendar. Here's the calendar on the side. You've got different holidays. The ones in red are celebrated nationally, and then the ones in blue are just some fun ones like Popcorn Day, Penguin Day, different things like that. I'm going to have suggestions are going to be underneath the days that the blog typically goes out on Friday. So those are going to be in yellow. And a lot of them are based off of what's going on that month, or I put an exhibition highlight. And I suggest, like for May, we do sun tubes. And each month is going to have those throughout all the way to December. This is a resource PowerPoint. Each month is going to have the date and the blog content suggestion, and then I've put resources or information underneath, or beside what the content is going to be. I have through May currently, and I'm going to get down to July with resources, and then I'll have the suggestions. You can continue adding resources after August. I'll have the suggestion underneath the date, and then you can input whatever resources you would like. So it's all in one space. Here are blog content photo ideas. So I set it up. So this is January 2021. Here are all of the pictures that I've pulled from Pinterest for ideas that you can use for blog content. So at the end of the month of January, it's puzzle day. So here's an activity having to do with puzzles that could be easy to make at home. Now each month is going to have resources and photos in them all the way to July. If you want to continue that through December, from August to December, sounds amazing. Holiday Village 2020, here are all of the poems that I created for the houses in the templates. I know that we don't have the green one, I think was for Christmas, but hopefully that can be uploaded and updated. So here are additional fall things that I've created. This was CMoR activities that I gave information or resources on at the beginning, having to do with the virtual online programs. So here's all that information, and then the school Mad Lib that I created. Hope this helps, and if you have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to me at any time.